Hey besties, here we are again with another healthy drinks. So guys, today I made this healthy drink for myself. I'm trying to lose weight and this healthy drink is very good for our body, it this detoxify, yeah, right, it detoxifies your body, burns fat. So I started by peeling my ginger. So I'm just peeling the ginger because today I'm using this ginger and some couple of other ingredients to make this healthy drink. I've had this long ago at home. I said, you know what, I don't want to throw it out, it's still gonna be useful, so I decided to use it for our healthy drink today. If you're trying to detoxify, if you're trying to drink healthy, if you're trying to maintain a healthy weight, this drink is for you. So I use carrots. As you can see, I'm cutting the carrot right now. Cutting these carrots into pieces so I can be able to use my juicer to juice it. Thereafter we can extract some juice from it, guys. So if you're just joining us, this is Juliana cooking channel. If you haven't subscribed to our video yet, I want you to subscribe to our channel. I want you to comment love this recipe, and I'm gonna be making more of this recipe for you guys. I also want you to hit notification button so that whenever I upload any video, guys, you will be the first to get notification about this video. This drink is healthy, so I'm still cutting our carrots. I use a lot of carrot for this recipe. You know, carrot is good for the eyes. So right now I'm cutting this lime. This lemon fruit is been long already. You can see it's dried up already. I had this for a very long time at home. I don't like wasting things. I said I'm not gonna waste this, I'm gonna use it for this drink. So I just finished cutting the lime fruits and I just put it inside the bowl, coupled with some other fruits like the apple you're seeing here right now. I use 2 apples and of course the carrots I use. So this is a full bowl of fruits we're using for our juice drink today. So I'm using my juicer. Yes, I'm using my juicer to juice this fruits. Extract the juice, and drink it, which is the healthy parts of this recipe, guys. So I'm trying to juice these fruits. Normally I blend them, and after blending I savor it, but I say, you know what, that is just a whole lot of work. Why do I still have to keep blending my fruits when I have my juicer? I can just use the juicer and just juice it, and it will extract the drink and it will separate it from the roughages of the fruits, and I don't have to savor it. So guys, that's exactly what I did. I use my juicer, to choose this combination of fruits, and guys, I tell you, this came out pretty good. It came out tasting nice. It came out tasting delicious. Look at that, so beautiful. Look at how it looks, so nice. I want you to try this drink at home and come to the comment section and tell me how you feel about it. This drink is one of the best you can make. It's very healthy. It has lime in it. It has all the healthy fruits combined together in it. There is no other way you can drink healthy more like this. So I'm just adding my ice cube. I want it to be chilly. I want it to be cool when I'm drinking it. So look at how nice this look, guys. Subscribe to my channel. You can see me drinking this. Oh my god, this tastes so sweet, tastes so delicious. Yeah guys, cheers. So guys, subscribe to my channel. So if you haven't done so yet, I want you to hit the notification button. Tell me love this recipe. Love you guys. Bye.